got you covered. We just minutes away from taking everybody over to the after party at Sullivan's Garage. But you know if we do it, we gotta do it in style. So enjoy the cars, enjoy the music. I'll be right back at you.
Everyone, my name is Pat. That's short for whatever you want it to be, but my personal preference is Cat on the back, because I think I'm doing a good job. You guys know why you're here?
Yeah.
Sure.
Alright, well for those of you that don't, let me go ahead and explain. So, this right here is Dom Toretto. Currently Dom is racing through the streets of San Francisco in this little car, trying to win himself a brand new car. Is it legal? No. Is it cool? Yes. Well, Dom obviously wins every race, which means he will win this one as well. And once that happens, you guys are all joining him at the after party! Yeah! I'm not going, but all of you are. So that makes me very happy. I get to play with my little toy car. His name is Thunder McKing.
Delightful.
All right. Ooh, we're getting a call from Mia. Hi, Mia. How are we doing?
Hey Pat, I see our partygoers have arrived.
Yeah, everyone say hi, Mia.
Hi, Mia.
Yeah, Dom's sister.
You're more than that, girl.
Just wrapped, and it looks like my brother with another car for his collection.
Yeah, I told you he win.
Honestly, I don't know why anybody challenges him.
Me neither.
Well, we're meeting up at Sullivan's Garage for the after party, and while Tej works on your rides, you guys enjoy the break room.
That's this
My
room.
brother calls this the family room.
Family.
Dom says he doesn't have friends, he has family.
Family.
And the faces you see on these walls are our family.
Family.
When I'm in this room, I feel like we're all together again. So, welcome to our family.
That is so sweet. All right, we're getting another call. Tej, you're up on the break room monitor.
All right. What's up, Mia?
Hey,
And
Ted's just
Pat?
welcoming these good people to
Wow,
our family.
dude.
How are their rides coming along?
The rides are ready to roll out and roll out in style.
In style.
All right, I'll let Dom know. You guys have fun at the party.
Bye, Mia.
See ya, Mia.
All right, Pat. Let's get these people on their way. Send them over to the war room.
You got it, dude.
Peace.
Jeez. All right, in just a second, those doors are gonna open. You're gonna meet another member of the family. Their name is Jamie. It's their first date in the war room. Let's give them a warm welcome. Everyone say hi,
Oh, hey, everybody, how's everybody doing? All right, well, you guys are here. You guys know why you're here.
Yeah.
No, you guys are all way off. You guys are going to a party. Who's excited? Another vehicle after what, 6 or 7 years? So, yeah, you guys are in for a great time. I should ask, how's everybody doing? Woo! Already asked that? Oh, that's really embarrassing. But you guys still didn't ask how I was doing, which is why I asked.
How are you doing?
You're way too late for that. Don't even worry about it. But we're just gonna say an awkward silence because nobody cares. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, you guys are in the war room. I'm Jamie. If you want to press that orange button to start the show. That's really awkward. But you knew it because it didn't do anything.
Jamie, the buses are here.
All right, what can I do for you? You got some family members here for you. You know, here to start the show, but you got Dom
I
calling.
got this, Jamie.
Thank goodness.
Dom,
I was running out of things
what
to
up?
say.
Tej, just got a heads up from Hobbs.
Another member of the
The
family.
FBI is about to raid your location.
Again? They just
Man,
raided us
they
last
always
week.
ruining our fun.
It gets worse. They're leading Owen Shaw right to your door.
Which door? There's multiple.
Shaw, that cockroach we beat down his
Cockroaches?
face.
The cockroaches
What's he got to
here?
do with this?
Where?
Nothing yet. And let's keep it that way. Get those people on those
You mean our
buses.
family?
You need to start bugging out right now.
Bugs? There are also
And get
bugs in
that
here.
turbo truck
Where?
ready. I'm sending Letty there to pick it
Can you
up.
pick me up too? I don't want to be here.
I'm on it.
Hobbs needs our help. He needs our team.
You mean our family?
Spread the word.
Spread it everywhere, guys.
But
Social
keep
media,
it in our
everything.
family.
Oh, you said it.
Quiet.
Hey, there's my gym bro calling.
It's Hobbs. Hobbs, my man. What up?
Sorry, brother Taj, no time for chit-chat.
What if I
just
wanna
sent you a
chit-chat?
brief on FBI agent Novak.
Who is
Has
that?
Toronto filled you in?
Unfortunately.
Yeah. He wants us to get everybody over to the
mean our
party at
family?
Sullivan's.
Sounds like a plan. That party is a ready-made diversion.
How big
Keep
a
it
diversion are we
going.
talking here?
We need to discuss how you're going to get all those civilians out of there without tipping off the FBI.
These guys think they can stay quiet?
Okay,
It's
hold
not
on.
possible.
Let me get everybody squared away, and we'll talk offline.
Squared away where? On the party
Copy that,
buses?
Taj, and let everybody know. Shut off your cell phone.
That means you in the back, I see you.
Tracking your locations.
Okay, Jamie, you heard the man. It's about to go to a whole nother level.
Like level 2 on the loading
Send
docks?
everybody to the loading dock.
Like you just said. Yeah, but you guys keep all your family members together, you know. If you don't want to be with your family, join another one, but you didn't hear that from me. So yeah, enjoy the rest of your time here, and you know, have so much fun there, just have too much fun.
I trust you. I don't write this right.
All pre-commercially were following racing restrictions. Due to the nature of race driving conditions, riders should expect sudden and extreme movements. If back or neck conditions are an expectant mother, if you are prone to motion sickness or dizziness, or are recovering from recent
No, I'm wrong. I have been wrong.
Listen up, everybody. My man Hobbs wants to talk directly to y'all, so I'm patching him through now.
My name is Special Agent Luke Hobbs of the U.S. Diplomatic Security Service, and as of 16.9 seconds ago, I'm the man in charge. There's a high-value witness from the Federal Protection Program aboard your vehicle. An international crime syndicate led by Owen Shaw is honing in on this vehicle to take that witness out. Shaw's as ruthless as they come, and he'll stop at nothing to eliminate his target. Every living soul on this vehicle is in serious danger. Other than that, enjoy the ride.
Hey guys, we're gonna keep you safe from Shaw, but to keep you safe, we need your help. So please turn off your cell phones and put away your cameras, because one flash or ringtone could give us away. And remember, got a problem? Deal with it together.
Everybody out! The FBI! Turn that music off! Come on, get moving. There's a work right there. Get moving. Get out. Everybody out. This is what we doing. This is the race day after party. And where the other?
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move.
Damn.
That's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. Got it. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours.
Hobbs, escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
You got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of this.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Man.
It was on vibrate. Shaw traced us. Hobbs can't hold it forever. Buddy, Roman, we're up. Try to move that vehicle. It's about to get real interesting. Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door.
Okay, gang, no flash photography and no cell phone. And keep very quiet.
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you all get right.
This is our turn. Okay,
ride like that. And witness, whoever you are, you're lucky to be riding with this crew. They got your back.
They say the bigger the family, the stronger it is. You guys get good out there. And you're welcome to join our crew anytime.
All right. Let's forget about all that mess. The party is here. The party is now. Time to act a fool.
Just the way that it looks like a PlayStation 3 game.
Attention.
This is amazing.